Hi everyone, this is Masterpiece Convoy back with my review on the Transformers Kre-O Market Changers Combiners Grimstone Part 2. Today we'll be focusing on Crackback, and here he is in his beast mode. Next I'm going to rotate him 360. Plus the tail's on a ball joint so it can move up, down, and side to side a bit. As well, this piece can move up, down, and side to side a bit. Next, I'm going to transform him into his robot mode. And here he is in his robot mode. Now for articulation, his head can rotate 360. The arms is on a ball joint so it can move all the way around and side to side a bit. The hands can rotate 360. The legs is on a ball joint so it can move forward, back, and side to side a bit. Plus you can also display him holding his mace. Now, for comparison, here he is next to his combiner's mate, IQonix. So that takes care of my review on Crackback, so 2 down, 2 more to go. Well, that's it for my review on the Transformers Kre-O Market Changers Combiners Grimstone Part 2. This is Masterpiece Convoy signing off.